Welcome to today's class. We have x plus 1 all over x equal to the cube root of 69. We are asked to look for our x to the power of 3 plus 1 all over x to the power of 3. This is a very simple question. So we take our solution. So the first thing we're going to do here is this. Look at this here. We have cube root of 69. So we just have to take the cube of both sides of the equation. So from the original equation, we have our x plus 1 all over x all raised to the power of 3, then equal to the cube root of our 69 all raised to the power of 3. So what happened to this? This and this will leave the system. We just have to open this. So in opening this, we can use either the binomial expansion or we can use the normal algebraic expansion method. So if we use either the binomial expansion or the normal algebraic expression, we're going to have this to be our x to the power of 3 there plus our 1 all over x to the power of our 3 there plus our 3 bracket our x plus 1 all over x close bracket equal to our 69. Just keep this. Like I said, you can either use the binomial expansion method to get this, or you use the algebraic method to get this. Very simple, right? Good. So from here, what we do, we are looking for this, and we have it played out here already. So all we just need to do is to see how we can eliminate this. Remember, from our question, we have in x plus 1 all over s, which is this. So we can substitute that into the system. So if we do that, this is going to give us our x to the power of 3 plus our 1 all over s to the power of 3, then plus 3 into our cube root of 69, close bracket equal to 69. Easy. All right. So what we do next here is just move this to this side of the equation. And so this is going to give us our x to the power of 3 plus 1 all over x to the power of 3 equal to our 69, then minus 3 into the cube root of our 69. It is easy, right? Good. So being that it's so easy, what we do next here is this. Here we have 3, here we have 3. So we can factor 3 from the system. So doing that, this is going to give us our x to the power of 3 plus 1 all over x to the power of 3. This is equal to 3 out here. We're going to have our 3 into, we use 3 to divide this. This is going to give us 23. So we have here 23. Then minus, if we use 3 to divide this 3 will leave the system. So here we are left with our cube root of 69 close bracket. And what are we asked to look for? This is what we are asked to look for. And so this is the final answer to our challenge here. That's why I said this is a very simple math problem. Thank you. If you learned something from this video tutorial, drop it in the comment section. We love you. And do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. This is Online Maths TV. Thank you for being there. Bye for now.